Governor Tate Reeves has signed into law a new funding for funding public education.
Yes.
Which would include providing more money to districts to help improve overall learning. Some of the students who could receive more money are students with special needs and students who are learning English as a second language.
Yeah, our Kamari Hamer talked to the Monroe County School District about what the formula could mean for students and teachers. Kamari, they say it's going to help out a lot.
Yeah, it really will. Money, resources, and academics are just some of the worries for many Mississippi public school parents. Today, I spoke with the Monroe County School District's superintendent to ask him what the new rules will mean for students in districts like his. Almost every public school district in Mississippi is in need of financial help to improve student learning. The new funding formula, also known as the Inspire Act, is set out to do just that. Monroe County School District Superintendent Chad O'Brien says this is just what students and teachers need.
When you look at the Inspire Act, there's positives and there's probably some areas of caution that those of us in the public education are curious to see how that plays out. Obviously, some of the positives, nobody is going to see a decrease in funding. That's huge. No district can afford that.
Public school districts are usually paid by attendance. The Inspire Act will now pay school districts based off enrollment. O'Brien says this new method will help ease the stress of public school faculty, especially during times of the year when attendance is low due to students being out sick.
The school's argument was, these kids are on our roll. They may not be here every day during October and November, but they're still students that we have to provide for. We still have to provide lunches for. We still have to game plan, if you will. But the state has listened to that concern, and they've helped us out in this new formula.
Some students can be more expensive than others to educate. More money will be calculated for students who live in poverty, students in gifted programs, students with special needs, and students who are learning English as a second language. Dennis Holloway has 2 children that attends Hamilton Attendance Center. He says new funding formula will be very beneficial to his family.
Any kind of funding that the schools get would always benefit our kids. They use the Chromebooks a lot, and there's always money that the school needs to help, buy books and, for the teachers and things like that. So any extra funding would definitely help them.
The new funding formula will replace the old formula, which was the Mississippi Adequate Education Program. MAEP was fully funded for only 2 years since it was enacted. Dr. O'Brien says the Monroe County School District will see an increase of about $60,000 in total funding.